In chapter Kabaddi, today topic is important tournaments. First is Federation Cup. Second, National Kabaddi Championship. Third, Gold Cup Mumbai. Fourth, P&T Cup. Fifth, International University Kabaddi Championship. And the last sixth, All India Schools Kabaddi Tournament. Now our next topic is terminology मतलब पारिभाषिक शब्द. We understand through short video.
Terminology of Kabaddi. Terminology means the body of terms used with a particular technical application in a subject of study, profession, etc. of a relationship between a pot and a whole is called of Kabaddi, a sport of Indian origin played by teams of 7 players on a clay, muddy or synthetic court is called Kabaddi. Terminology of Kabaddi or as listed below. Terminology means the body of terms used with a particular technical application in subject of study, profession, etc. of a relationship between a pot and a whole is called of. Kabaddi, a sport of Indian origin played by teams of 7 players on a clay, muddy or synthetic court is called Kabaddi. As listed means as marked, below means as under. Cant means when a player goes to the half of the oppositions, he has to chant Kabaddi in one breath in a continuous process. That chant is also known as cant. The word Kabaddi Kabaddi spoken in a repeated manner in clear sound in a single breath is called cant, means the continuous clear sounding recitation aloud of the approved word Kabaddi within the course of one respiration shall be called cant. Lona means a team scores a bonus of 2 points called a lona if the entire opposing team is declared out. At the end of the game, the team with the most points wins. Lona is awarded to one team when all the players of opponent are out, then 2 points are awarded, means a bonus scored in the game of Kabaddi for getting the entire opposing team declared as out. Lobby means lobbies are the yellow strips on the sides of the pro Kabaddi playing area that only come into the play once a touch has been initiated. A player is deemed out of bounds if he steps into that area before a raider initiates the touch. Lobby area can only be used during struggle between raider and catcher, means when a raider touches the defenders, the lobby area is activated. Both the teams can use lobby area now during the tackle. Out means when attacker or touches the opponent players and return home safely, the opponent player are out and temporarily sent off the field. When raider touches the opponent player and reach home safely is called out, means teams take turns sending a raider to the opposite team's half where the goal is to tag. Tagged members are out and temporarily sent off the field. Broken cant means if the cant or kabaddi is broken in the single breath during raid is called broken cant. if the raider cannot able to give cant in single breath is called broken cant. Means at that time of raiding, the opponent court, the raider cannot able to spoken kabaddi kabaddi in single breath. Raid means it is the phase of the game when a player enters the opponent court after crossing the mid line in order to fetch a point by getting a touch on any of the defenders present in the ground in the court is called raid. When a raider reaches in opponent court with single breath of cant is called raid. Means while raiding, the raider must loudly chant kabaddi, confirming to referees that their raid is done. Catch means when the raider raid the opponent court, the defender hold the raider and cannot allow him to go from their custody is called catch. When catchers hold the raiders and cannot allow him to return his coat is called catch. Means the defender hold the raider in their grip and he doesn't allow the raider to go in their court. Live means remain alive during match or to continue to have remain during the game. Player become live when raider touches the opponent player and reach safe in his court. One team member is live. Means the player who sits in the sitting block waiting his teammate touch the opponent player and come back his court safely, then the player become active player, that is called live. Dead. When dead means the player those are sitting out inside the sitting block, that players are called dead. When the raider touches the opponent player and reaches his court safe, then the player whom he touches is considered dead. Means at that time the raider touches the opponent player, that player is called dead. Work line means each of the lines in court parallel to the midline. The line that runs down the center of the court and divides the playing area into two halves is called work line. Work line which is compulsory for raider to cross during raid is called buck line. Means in order to get a bonus point, the raider must cross the buck line. Bonus line means when the player comes into contact with the ground between the end line and the bonus line. If the raider after crossing bonus line is caught, the opponent team will also be awarded 1 point. Bonus line has to cross after 2 empty raids by the raider. Means after every 2 empty raids, the raider has to cross the bonus line. If the raider cross the line during raid, gives bonus point during empty raid. Means during empty raid, the bonus line crossed by the raider, the bonus point has been given to the raider.
Our next topic is sports awards. Players who won Dronacharya Award. In 2002, E. Prasad Rao. 2005, Balwant Singh. 2012, Sunil Dabas. And 2017, Hiranand Kataria. Players who won Bheem Awards. In 1993 to 1904, Asan Kumar. 2000, Shamsher Singh. And last 2001, Ram Meher Singh.